Hey friends, it's your boy Chris with another Ultimate Chris review, and today we have The Rock and CM Punk from Series 115.
Oh snap! The Rock is cooking.
The final boss.
The final boss. There he is, huh?
He was beating up Cody Rhodes.
He was beating up Cody Rhodes, huh?
Again, like the same time.
Let me see.
The Rock is bad news.
Oh, this one looks so cool. Look at that. He's got the vest. He's got the shades. He's got the mic. He's got interchangeable hands, right?
Mm-hmm.
Picture of him right there, huh?
Mm-hmm. Looking all mad.
Oh, right there. The final boss.
And the whole lineup.
And the whole lineup in the back, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we got that CM Punk, but we don't got the rest of these guys. The final boss. There he is. And, of course...
From Chicago, Illinois.
From Chicago, Illinois.
CM Punk.
CM
Punk.
There he is with the cool black t-shirt of Chicago right there with his fist, right?
Mm-hmm.
With the X. There he is. Looking all cool. Look at that. CM Punk. All right. So, which one are we going to open first? The final boss. All right, let's open it up and see what it's about.
There he is. The final boss.
The final boss. Mama Rhodes. All right, with the black pants and all that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And a microphone that says, "Shut your mouth, jabroni." All right, let's get him out of there.
There's the final boss out of the package.
Out the package, right?
Mm-hmm.
Flip him around. Let's see it. Let's see the back of that vest. Oh, electrifying. No doubt about it. Electrifying. And then he comes with the interchangeable hands. A platinum gold chain.
The microphone. The glasses.
shades. Take this one off. Let's see. Let's see. Let's look at that Brahma Bull tattoo.
The Brahma Bull tattoo.
The Brahma Bull. Mama Rhodes. Let's see. He got the cool Samoan tattoo right there. All over the arm. All the way to the back.
And his brand is Papa Tui.
Papa Tui looking like Maui. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. That's the like a dead Brahma Bull, right? Just the skeleton, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want your soul, Cody Rhodes. Mama Rhodes. The most electrifying man in all of entertainment. With exchangeable hands. This one's to grip, to punch, and he's the one. Right? All right. Now, who's next? Who's next? Move over, jabroni.
CM Punk.
Move over, jabroni.
CM Punk.
Make way for CM Punk. Let's do it. CM Punk with two exchangeable hands, right?
Mm-hmm.
The classic X right there on his hand wrap, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, get him out. CM Punk with the hands right here that says drug free, right?
Mm-hmm.
Drug free. Let's see. All right, take off the shirt. Let's see. His Mickey Mouse tattoos.
Like The Rock said.
Like the Rock said.
No one even likes The Rock anymore.
Everyone likes The Rock. He's a people's champ. Let me see.
And they said that he was going to return to beat up Roman Reigns.
Well, he's probably still going to do it, huh? The tattoos right there. Pretty good detail. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what it says right there, but it's in Old English. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Looking like Jimmy Kimmel.
Mm-hmm.
Jimmy Kimmel. Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. The Chicago flag on the boots. All right. Well, there you have it, guys. 2 more for the collection, right?
Like and subscribe. Peace.